Hey YouTube, welcome to a new channel. On this channel, I hope to be discussing financial tips, financial related information, creating side hustles, how to make money on the side, how to make money online, how to make money anywhere basically, and yeah. I created this channel because I was interested in finance, and I took it upon myself to study, learn more about it, and yeah, I just hope to share my information here, my knowledge really. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right in. So, the first item we have on our list of how to make money online easily is a content site called Korra. Now, what Korra allows you to do, if you aren't familiar with it, is ask questions and answer other people's questions, and basically you can get paid for doing that. So, the way to make money on Quora is basically asking helpful questions, and those questions get a lot of views, upvotes, thanks, answers, whatever. But yeah, that's basically the way to make money on Quora. But there is a catch to this. There's actually a couple, but I'm only going to name this one. So first off, you have to be accepted into Quora's partner program, which is the only way of making money directly off Quora. So this means that you have to have pre-existing content on the site before you can get accepted into the program. Now, this may change in the future because Quora, they've said for a while now that hopefully they intend to accept everyone into the program because it doesn't make much sense not to, except for the reason that if everyone were in the program, there would be a lot of spammy questions because that's how you make money, right? People just spam a bunch of questions in the hopes that, they hit a couple that really pay off big. But besides that drawback there or trade-off, you can make a lot of money off Quora. I'm talking above $1,000 a month just from asking questions, which really is insane. And not only is a couple K extra a month a good thing, but it can also be a passive income technically. Because while you're not on the site, people could be viewing your questions, doing whatever it takes to get you paid, and you're not even working on it. So technically, if you put a lot of time into your content, it's going to pay off over the long run if you get accepted. And nobody knows for sure what you have to do to get accepted into the partner program, but it does help to have, consistent content that is of high quality. Now, I do know that you can go to Quora.com/partners to apply to the partner program. And as you can see here, I've already applied to it. It says, thank you for applying to the partner program. But I have not been accepted yet. I've been waiting for about a month. And yeah, I don't have the best content or the highest quality. And I don't even have the highest views. But I'm hopeful that soon I'm going to be accepted into the program. Now, if you want to look at my profile just to see where I'm coming from, you can see that I have 310 questions, 182 answers, and yeah, that's actually a lot of questions. It took me a couple weeks, I believe, to ask all these. Anyways, if you were to look at my stats, you could see that, all time I have a couple thousand answer views, and all time for my questions, I have 570,000 views. Now, that's really nothing in Quora's eyes because they have creators that are getting, 10 million views a month or 20 million views a month. Even with your answers, you can get a couple million views a month off just that. But anyways, the overall conception of Quora, in my eyes, is that, on top of helping other people by answering their questions, la-di-da, being a part of the community, you can make a lot of money if you're accepted into the program. As I said, they have authors earning a couple $1,000s a month. But, yeah. Without further ado, let's move on to item number 2. Which brings us to our second item on the list, which is a content management site called Medium. Now, I know Medium has gained a lot of popularity lately because of all the authors actually migrating their entire blogs over to it. So it's no surprise that Medium has made this list to a lot of people, I bet. But anyways, so basically, for those of you who don't know about Medium, Medium is a content site where you can post blog posts, basically and essentially. You can make comments on other people's blogs and your blogs, whatever posts. I mean. Yeah, basically, it's a blogging site like Tumblr per se, but it's on Medium, really. That's basically the only difference. And what's cool about Medium is that you can become a featured writer in Medium itself in the publications, as you can see on the screen here, that Medium owns, such as 10, Elemental, all these here. Medium owns those, and they can actually purchase your article and feature it on there. So, not myself, but actually I have a friend who wrote a post about VPNs, and he got a $300 check, I believe, and he had his article featured in 10, and that was pretty cool because he didn't even put that much time into the article. But yeah. Anyways, so how Medium works and how you get paid on Medium is that when you post a post, I should say, or a story, there's members on here that you have to pay $5 a month. As you can see here, I have a little upgrade button. But basically, if you pay $5 a month, as you can see here, you become a Medium member. And now what this allows you to do is you get unlimited access to the stories, because if your story is enrolled in the partner program, which you could see has a like a little star here, then only people with the partner program or people that are enrolled in it are allowed to view it. And if you're a free member, you have access to 3 articles that are in the partner program a month, basically. And yeah, so basically you make money on the site if the story is enrolled in the partner program, which you can do even if you're a free member. And yeah, basically if the people are part of the partner program and they clap for your story, it's essentially an upvote, and they clap for it, you'll get paid based on how many times they clapped and how many other articles they clapped for. But yeah. So to show you a little of my stats, I have 26 published articles, and I've made about $10 off the site. It's not much, but it's to a point where, hey, if I were serious about the site and I was posting articles every day, I could be earning some serious money. I mean, Medium as well as Korra, you could be earning above $1,000 a month pretty easily if you were consistent with your high quality content. Again, this same friend, he has a couple hundred followers on one of his publications, and he's starting to pull in some serious cash flow. But yeah. And as you can see here, my most popular article is writing a pointless Linux module. I originally posted it in Hacker Noon, but since they moved away from Medium and they started their own platform, just because of they didn't like the way Medium was heading. But that's because they were a large publication, and Medium was trying to take that away from them. And as you can see here, the story is eligible to earn money. Only I can see that. Here, review stats. And as you can see, lifetime earnings, $6. Whoop-de-doo. It's got 2,300 views. Not that exciting. Yeah. But basically, yeah, that's it to Medium. And I will mention one drawback is that, who really owns the followers that are following you on Medium? Is it you or is it Medium? That's one thing a lot of blog writers consider and are hesitant to switch to Medium because, if they were to leave the platform, they would also lose all their followers, which is, something Hacker Noon had trouble with when they were leaving the platform a month ago. But yeah. Anyways, Medium partner programs are really nice because you can be enrolled in it from the start, unlike Korra, which you have to be invited to. Medium, you're automatically in it, and anyone can, post stories that can earn money on Medium. For my 26 posts or whatever, I've earned $10. Not shabby, but as I said, if I were consistent, high quality, doing this every day, I could be racking a couple $100, easily a week. Which brings us to our third method of earning money online, which is a personal blog. So actually, I could tie this in with Medium because, not only can you post on your personal blog, but you can also import posts on Medium. There's a drawback to that. Medium would crush you in SEO just because they're a larger site, whatever. But yeah, you can double post on Medium and your personal blog to maximize your audience. I don't recommend doing that for beginners just because it's a bit of a hassle, nothing too serious, but it can get annoying in the long run. But anyways, with your own personal blog, you're in full control of all your subscribers. As you can see here, I have a little newsletter. It's not official or anything, but yeah. This is a personal blog I run, if I haven't mentioned that yet. I have it enrolled in the Brave Verified Creator Program. Basically, you can earn money off of bat crypto. I'm not going to go into it in this video just because it's unrelated. But yeah. So basically, you can run your own blog, you can put ads on it, you can do affiliate marketing, you can basically do whatever the heck you want without any restrictions from policies or any of that from, sites like Medium or Korra. I could post anything I want without really getting in trouble. Like, it can't be too bad, else the FTC or whatever's going to come after me. But I wouldn't even think about that. Anyways, if you're running a personal blog, all you have to do is find a niche you get excited about, you're passionate about, and as I said about Medium, you have to be consistent, high quality content. And within a while, you start making money off ads, affiliate marketing, newsletters, basically all sorts of stuff. Now, from personal experience, I have AdSense enrolled on my on this blog here, and I've earned about $20 off of it. And I'm not even consistent with this site either. If I were consistent, I'd be earning a couple $100. I simply don't have it in me, but there's a lot of people out there who do have it in them that that don't know it yet. So who knows? Give it a try. You do it for free at some places. Hopefully, I'll have that listed in the comments. But yeah, you can earn money off of your personal blog, and you own everything on it, which is cool. So let's say I click one of these posts here. So in theory, you should see an ad here, which you do. And basically, for every 1,000 people that look at it, I get $1 or something. And then for every person that clicks it, I get another $1. No, it's nothing too insane, but it does add up. Say you have 20,000 users a month, 100 people viewing each post or whatever, 10 people click the ad, $10 a post times how many posts you have. You're in a couple K a month easily, which is nice because you're essentially self-employed. Medium can't tell you what to do. Korra can't tell you what to do. So, that's a win overall. And as you can see here, you can customize how many ads you want. If you only want 1 ad, 2 ads, 3 ads. I think I'm doing 2 ads max per page right now. Just because, my content's, I'd rank it medium-ish, like, pun intended, I guess. I put it in the medium between low and high content because, I don't want to dedicate too much time for it because I'm not too excited about it, but I'm excited to the point where, hey, I'll spend an hour writing 1,000-word posts, help some people out, maybe earn a couple of pennies from ads. But I'm doing this over the long run. It's important to note that these methods are excellent for the long run. Say a couple years from now, you're in maybe $10,000, $20,000 off these platforms, which is excellent for side hustles. It's always important for as an entrepreneur to look for side hustles, ways to create passive income and stuff like that. So I hope for this video you learned something important, or you learned something new, or if you didn't learn anything at all, I hope you can leave a comment below telling me what I did wrong, how I could improve. It's really the only way for me to improve because I always watch my videos back, I revise them, whatever, and that's just to the best of my current ability. If you leave a comment telling me what I should do next, or new, or how I should fix something, then you could bring myself up to a new level or a new ability, if you get what I'm saying. But anyways, I really appreciate you for watching this video. Check out the description if I might have stuff there, for checkout, free hosting, stuff like that. And yeah, stay tuned for the next. Thanks for watching.